I'm going to show you that how we can use creative and animated text. In my channel, I upload tech-related videos ranging from Flutter, Python, encryption tutorials to tech tricks every week. So ready to join me in this journey or curious to learn more? Then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to turn on the notification. Also don't forget to like the video. Now hoping that you have subscribed, let's continue. So what you're seeing here is the simple text which we have been using since a long time, and it is very boring because it isn't animated and it is very simple. So, and if you are thinking that you want to include some very cool effects or very cool fonts, then this is the right video. So now let's dive into it. So now what we'll do is we'll search for the package that is animated text flutter. Animated text kit, you can search that. And now you can see here that we have a first link, and then just click on it. After which you can now go to the installing section and copy this, and now go to the pubspec.yaml of your file structure, and now you need to paste this under the dependencies, and I have already done it here, which you can see. After you have typed it, you need to save it, and once it is saved, you will see this running and it will get installed. And once you have installed it, now you are ready to use that. So now let's dig into it. So here I have imported the first material.dart and then later on the animated text kit, which we will use here. And in order to have such an effect, here I will show the typer effect which we can use. So I will first delete this, or let me just comment it out. And now I'll use this body, and in that I'll use typer animated text kit, and here we have many parameters which we can assign, and one of the few things which we need to do is we need to have the ontap function. So here in this we have the option that we need to define the ontap, that is what will happen when you tap on that, and you can define any function you want in this. For timing, I'm just leaving it as null, or I'll just write a print statement, print hello. And after that we need to assign that what text we are going to show in this. So for that I'll just write it as text, and here we need to provide the list of sentences which we are going to show. So I'll just copy this thing and paste it here, and you can also break the sentences by including it within the double quotes. So here I'll do that, and then you need to write the comma as well. Okay, let me change this. This is interesting, and this is creative, or anything you can write like that. So after writing the text, we now have the option of formatting this text, and for that I'll use text style, And you can see here that we also have the option of using text align and text style. So first we'll do the text style, in which I'll change the font size. For that I'll write font size and I'll just make it as 30. You can also change the font family, and if you want that. Okay, it shows an error because here in this we shouldn't define the function. It should be in such a way that on tap this function should execute, and earlier what I wrote was in the form of a function. So this is the correct way of doing this. And now we have also assigned the text style, and we'll now check the text align, and I'll make it as text align dot start. You can choose anything you want, that's not an issue, and I'll just save it. Okay, let me check what's the error. And we are expecting one more bracket. Okay, so I'll just format my code, and for that it is Shift Alt and then F. I'll save it. And now what you need to do is you need to go to the main.dart file and you need to import the package where you have created your widget. And after that you need to assign this animated text, that is the name of this class, to the home. And once you have done that, you can check the output. Okay, now you see that it looks cool, and this is a typo animation, and the text which is being shown here looks unique. Now let us add a few changes to it. For example, let us wrap that within padding, for instance. And if you press Ctrl Shift R, you'll get this option where you can just write wrap within a widget. And then I'll take the padding and I'll provide the padding as edge insets dot all, and I'll provide the value as 30. Now let us save and see the changes. Now you can see that we have a padding of 30 and the text looks better. And I will also wrap this within a widget, that is card, and give it the color of, I'll first give it the elevation of 20 and then color as colors.yellow. And let us save the changes. Okay, I'll also wrap it within the center. Once we have saved it, we can now see the changes. Okay, so what we are seeing is that the text appears in the center of our app and it is a typertext and it looks quite unique. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching it and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.